Today we're here at Brighton Lakes running a management course. This course has been running over a 12-month period, teaching managers how to do time management, run their teams better, and just basically get a bigger, better result. And what we've found is we've just done a wrap-up inside. It's been phenomenal. We just did an around the room, which you can catch more information on what every manager got out of the course. We had 25 managers go through this course, and there wasn't one person that left the room without an important gold nugget that they've taken away.
Probably the most important thing I've learned today is consistency. Is just being consistent. We're all human, we're all fallible human beings, and we're all slacking off. And I think we need to lead by example by being consistent in the message that we deliver.
And it's helped me with double closing techniques, qualifying, listening to calls, listening to the experience in the room. I've learned so much in the last year, and it's really helped me a lot.
The implementation of the morning meeting was probably my biggest action, I guess, I implemented. I have seen benefit from it, and I've got a few more tips now to keep it more lively and stuff like that. But yeah, that along the way, I've also taken a lot of notes on extra training tips that I can use and different little ideas. So yeah.
For myself, the one thing that I've taken away is if you can't measure it, you can't manage it. So if you don't know the data that, I guess, or what's coming out of your dealership or what's going into your dealership, you're not going to be able to know where you're at or where you need to be to improve.
I've picked up lots of, as you call them, gold nuggets of people with, instances or little things that I think, we can all apply to our own businesses.
What key KPIs I'm short on, and then tailoring the training to suit to improve, rather than just picking a training course every week that I felt like doing. So
I'll do this.
yeah. Correct.
Time management. Having the more meetings, because used cars, we don't really have meetings, unless it's at the yard or in the pub.
Yep.
So yeah, now I can offset some tasks to them. Like, they're all experienced guys, been with me for a long, long time.
But you're probably doing a lot for them as well.
Yeah, probably doing too much, but
yeah.
He'll know why, I sort of have to.
Yeah.
But yeah, mainly the time management, some things I can actually give them to them to do.
Yeah.
But yeah, I enjoyed it. I learned some things in here that I can take back.
Meetings in the morning. When I first started in this course, our meetings was whenever it happened. It wasn't a certain time. It was only a certain people that would show up. But a year later, everyone's there at 8:30, and I'm talking finance, aftermarket, all the salesmen, and they're all prepared. It's taken a while, but the process now is set. This is what we do, this is the time we do it, and everyone's there and everyone's on board. So it's awesome.
When I was a salesperson, I was very autonomous, and I could figure out everything myself and hardly needed anybody to do my job. And now, switching role, I realise I'm so reliant on so many people, and I think that the idea of team now is something that I really need to develop.
If you're looking to improve your team skills, and especially your management skills in your team, get on the TSS, and we're going to take your team to the next level.